If you've ever wondered how to see achievements on the Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to check your Epic Games achievements, both from your profile and directly inside your library. This is a super simple tutorial, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find every achievement tied to your games. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games launcher and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. When the menu opens, select My Achievements. This will take you to a page where your achievements are organized by game, so you can quickly browse through everything you've unlocked across your library. If you want to check achievements for a specific game, there's another easy method. Go to your library inside the Epic Games launcher and find the game you want to check. Next to the game title, click the three dots to open the options menu. From there, select My Achievements. This is especially useful if you only want to see progress for one game instead of looking through your full list. Once you open the achievements page, you'll be able to review what you've completed and what you still need to unlock. It's a great way to track your progress and stay motivated while playing, and that's really all there is to it. Whether you use your profile menu or the library options, Epic Games makes it easy to view your achievements in just a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.